We'll be looking at few important environment concepts and related previous year questions that we've asked by the PSC prelims in the past years. Let's look at the IUCN Red List, the planet's official casualty list. It is a scientific database that puts every known species into a category: critically endangered, endangered, vulnerable. What did UPSC ask? It asked what's inside. Is it endemic species, protected sites? No. The answer was only threatened species. It's a diagnosis. The red list is not a travel guide. It detects which species are there in which list. And this list isn't just a sadness, it's an action manual for governments. It tells them where to create park, where to ban trade, where to send money. Science is turned into policy. Next, did you know about conservation's biggest trick? There are two ways to save a species, and UPSC loves to confuse them. Let's break it down. First is in situ. That means in the original place. Conservation happens in the wild, in the species' real home. Think of national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Second method of conservation is ex situ. That means outside the place. It is the backup aid. When a species is almost gone in the wild, we save it in the botanical gardens, zoos, or seed banks. Now, the UPSC trap, they asked which is not in situ. The answer is botanical garden. It's the classic ex situ method. Two words here are in situ and ex situ. Remember them and you've cracked a major prelim strip. Next, let's look at the butterfly effect. It isn't just a movie. In ecology, it is called a trophic cascade. Lose one species and the whole system can unravel. Butterflies are pollinators and prey. If they vanish, first, many plants lose their pollinators. Second, seed production falls. Birds, wasps, spiders that eat butterflies lose their populations crash. But here is the UPSC trap. They'll say it will cause other things like more fungal infection. No, that's wrong. Fungal infections come from microbes and humidity, not directly from butterflies. So the real consequences is the loss of pollination and a crash in predator population. This is why biodiversity matters. It's not about saving cute animals, it's about system stability. Every species is a thread in the web. Cut one and the whole thing gets weaker. If your preparation isn't connecting dots, you're missing the point. So do study the interlinkages of previous year questions at UPSC.